this is more of a New York cheesecake?
No, this is a no-bake cheesecake.
Oh.
This is all done in the refrigerator. This was done on top of the stove with the obviously with the blueberries that we picked.
Can you put the blueberries under the slice for me?
There are some.
He's being funny.
What you think I was contemplating it? Really? A tablespoon of cornstarch and a half a cup of water.
You want it to be a gel. And
Ouch!
The blueberries have a lot of moisture in them too. Oh,
What?
okay. I didn't measure that. That was just
Oh!
so.
Oh, it's gonna be sweet, huh?
Well, it's okay.
It's gonna be really, really, really
No,
viscous probably as well.
That'll be good.
Add the blueberries now.
Now I would.
Burn the sugar some on the bottom of the pan.
I would turn the heat down. You've got it up to 6. Put it on about between 3 and 4.
It's dissolving. Do I want to bring it up to a boil and gellify it first? I don't think I do. I think I want to add the blueberries in gradually and have their moisture incorporate into...
Whatever you
Right?
think.
Don't you think that's logical?
That sounds good.
Yeah, because they're kind of frozen too, right? So they're going to
Yeah,
give off
they're
a bunch of
frozen.
liquid.
There you go.
Oh, they are too. Oh my goodness. And they'll burst as they cook, yeah? What do you think? The whole bag?
I would.
Yeah, the whole bag?
That's a big pie.
Okay. That was going to be really tedious if you let me pull all the blueberries out by hand, Mom, until I got the whole bag in there. You weren't going to say anything. You were going to sit back there in the stand and watch it happen. What's the matter with you, Mom? Oh yeah, there's all kinds of plant matter in there too. Look at that.
Stems and things.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Nice.
I picked them. You were Bill.
Yeah, I could have probably rinsed them off. Oh, look at that with the flower in the background.
Did you use the whole bag?
You put fresh ones on top too, right? Or frozen? Yeah, why don't we? That would be... I mean, we have them. Is there one more pint left? And what do? You freeze them on a baking sheet and then you put them all in a plastic baggie?
So they don't clump together.
And that's why they're all still independent.
Right.
Wow, that's pretty impressive that I did that. Holy mackerel, what has this world come to?
Perfect. I won't be able to finish much more than that.
What are you
No,
talking
seriously.
about?
Yeah, that's good.
What are you talking about? Oh, you're gonna eat that
Plus
whole
the rest
tray
of
of
it.
fish.
Yeah.
I see, I got you. Well, how did you know this was for you anyway? Well, maybe I choose to give it to Ariane because it's got the biggest scallops in it.
Yeah, she's a female and you should serve her first.
I did.
And she does like scallops the
love
most.
scallops.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, the broth, Dill. Here, you work on the broth. I'm gonna liberate some of this. That's for Ariane too. Dill, we got this
I don't
for
want
it.
a lot of
We're
broth,
civilized
Yeah,
here,
just a little
Dill.
bit.
Just a little bit.
That's what. I mean, do we need it?
Is that good? A little more.
So this is king salmon
Oh.
and farm-raised organic salmon, and the king salmon is some of the nicest king salmon I've ever seen, like fresh-wise. Oh, they were beautiful. Oh my goodness. Dill, you want to lift that bowl over this direction, please?
Oh.
You know who's getting served last now? Huh? Wait, I'm not done.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'm done. There's not as
Yeah, that's
much
a lot of
gravy
food.
in there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My favorite beef.
Oh.
Thank you.
Or it's not beef,
Yeah.
it's
Turkey.
All right, Dill.
This looks. Oh, this one's.
Yeah, I don't think we need that shell spoon.
Perfect.
Why
Just
did
like
I
that.
put everything so far away from me? My back is killing me right now. Huh?
I like
I
your
could just lay.
stance.
I could just lay down on the table. My legs
You
stick.
look like me.
Oh my back. Oy.
Perfect. Good.
Oh, there's no scallops on it.
Yeah, just throw me a couple. I don't need too many. Perfect.
Wait.
That's good. All right.
Oh, and I know how much you like this.
Yeah. I'm like drooling over here.
Yeah, that looks so good.
Mm-hmm. And the turkey too.
This was like maybe $4 at most.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, there's bones in it. Remember, there's bones in it. They're small. Chew it very well in all directions before you swallow it.
That's good.
It's not riddled with bones, mind you. I do the best I can.
Yeah, I
You
get
know?
it.
But
I'm not mad. I don't wanna bite
pinbone
into
them,
it and
so.
it's-
Oh,
I
I
have
was.
never, in all the times that he has gotten me a salmon,
Yeah.
there's never been a bone in any of it.
Really? Yeah, I think the last time we cooked us salmon, you said there was bones in it, and I had about like one bone that was this long, and that
Yeah.
was it.
Yeah, most of them are so soft you chew through them, you don't
Yeah.
even notice them. But
Right.
occasionally they'll be, you know, because these are offcuts. These are from parts of the fish that have awkward bones. That's why nobody wants them.
Right.
Which is such a shame because
They
they
died.
taste just as good.
Yeah.
They died to feed humanity
Yeah,
because
and
it's
it's
an
a
odd
waste.
shape. It goes in a trash can,
Yeah, it's so
right?
That's a waste.
Because we live in such excess.
Yeah.
So here's to the gut bucket.
Yeah.
Here's to the gut bucket.
Some water.
Mom,
Cheers.
you got something to drink?
Yep. And water.
There we go. Oh, we gotta show Mom over there. Nice. All right, let's eat.
I'm ready.
It's so good. Thank
What is it?
It's cheesecake.
What kind of cheesecake? Like,
Yes.
how do you? I don't understand how cheesecake is made. It's always been.
Oh no, I didn't either, Dill. I had no
That looks
idea
so
you
good.
generally need to cook a cheesecake. Who
I
would
would
have
have
known?
thought that honestly.
No, I had no
that was
idea.
wild.
New York cheesecake is baked.
Yeah,
And it
that's
has
Okay.
eggs in it.
right.
Right.
And it's more like a custard kind of
This
a thing.
one is not.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
this
what kind of cheese did you use for that?
Saint
Uh-huh.
cream cheese.
Okay.
Saint cream cheese.
I started to say
Oh.
Saint cream cheese.
Okay.
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 Oh
Right,
my
way too
goodness.
big of a piece for
And
everything.
Mom.
Yeah, I'll have the tiny one.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go for seconds if I want.
All right. Fair enough. And we can cut it any direction you want.
There you go. That looks so good.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gonna be awesome. This is the one though. This is where it's at.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Oh.
That looks phenomenal.
Yeah.
So this is more of a New York cheesecake.
No, this is a no-bake cheesecake.
Ah.
This is all done in the refrigerator. This was done on top of the stove with the obviously
Right.
with the blueberries that we picked.
Can you put the
Those
blueberries
are
under the slice for me?
There,
Joking.
He's
there
being
are
funny.
some.
He's being funny.
What you think I was contemplating it? Really?
I would have tried to pick it up.
That looks so good.
Yeah, no
That looks
kidding.
great.
That was such a magical day too, picking these blueberries.
That's
Oh my
excellent.
word.
This is so good.
Damn, I really thought this slice was big when you were cutting it. I want another one
We need
already.
another pie.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
You did.
You showed me how.
I just looked it
You
up
told me
online.
how.
I just got a recipe online.
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
Oh, it's
You know,
phenomenal.
That's fantastic.
just this. If you guys came over here and I just served you this, it would have been like, oh my gosh, that was great, right? But the fish, the scallops, and the ramen,
Yeah.
the turkey, the company.
That's good.
Oh, we might not be able to go see the river because you guys were really late.
We were waiting on you today.
You were? How about
Yeah.
that? How
And I
about that?
didn't bitch for nearly a half hour about it.
Well, to be clear, you were supposed to be over at 2:30,
Okay,
and
but, hey,
hang on. And what time did you get there? 3:30, is that
there's
right?
Some great berries.
Yeah. How about that?
Yeah. Pull on out to Demian Farms. Tell them Bill Williamson sent you. Have a good day, y'all.